How to disable Erase iPhone after failed password. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here. You will then be brought to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Over here, you can manage apps using Face ID and other iPhone access settings, set up alternative appearances and change your passcode. Now, scroll down to the end and go to Erase Data. If the switch is enabled, tap on the Erase Data toggle to turn it off. The Erase Data switch changes to the off position, indicating it is disabled. This prevents the iPhone from automatically erasing after multiple failed passcode attempts. Following these steps, you can easily disable Erase iPhone after failed password. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.